Hey guys, welcome to another video on Java for Beginners. In this video, we're going to be talking about arrays. So what arrays basically are that they are variables that can hold multiple data items of a single data type. For example, you can have a set of 10 integers under a single variable name. So they're integers, so all the 10 values should belong to a same data type. So you can have a set of 10 integers or a set of 10 double values or float values and so on. So let's see how we can declare an array. So you say the data type and then use open and close square brackets, and you specify the array name, and you say equals new int array, and within this square bracket you specify the size of the array, that is the number of values you want to store in that array A. And so this statement, this line will basically create an array for you of size 5 and hold 5 integer values. You can assign every the positions in the array to different values, whatever the values you want, but remember that the position of an array starts from 0. So you access each and every position of an array using the subscript, specifying the position number inside the square brackets. So you say it starts from 0, hence we say a of 0 is equal to 1, and a of 1 is equal to 2, a of 2 is equal to 3. So you can assign all the values, all the positions to different values if you want, or just a few of them. Here, the first 3 positions of the array are assigned to 1, 2, 3 correspondingly, and the remaining 2 positions are assigned to junk or just random values, garbage values, random values. So you can also print out the values and different positions of an array. So you say a of 0 and there you go. So let's just run this program and it gives you the values 1, 2, 3. So this is how you can declare a one-dimensional array. It stores a set of integers in a linear format. So continuous format, you can imagine how 1, 2, 3 the values are stored. This is one type of just using a single dimensional array. So another thing that you can do is type int space the array name, and you can just leave the square brackets empty, and you can use flower brackets and write the values within them. So this array you need not specify the size, and whereas you always have to initialize the variables, at least one value for the array when you are initializing it this way. So this also works fine, but it gives you 1, 2, 3 again, and you can print the values till a of 0 till a of 4, which is apparently the 5th position here. And you can also use multi-dimensional arrays. So you can say a of square brackets, but the most normal form of doing this is join the square brackets with the data type. So yeah, there you go. And you say int new integer array, multi-dimensional array of size. You specify the size. So how you can remember easily multi-dimensional or two-dimensional array is that it stores values in the form of rows and columns. So you can just imagine a matrix. So the first subscript, the value in the first square bracket specify the number of rows, and in the next second subscript specify the number of columns. So you can similarly assign the values to the positions of a multi-dimensional array, just like you did for a single dimensional array. A of 0, 0 is apparently the first position in the matrix, and a of 0, 1 is the second position, and so on. You can assign values to different positions. A of 0, 0, a of 0, 1. So yeah, let's just try printing that out. It gives 1, 2. So Easy way to remember two-dimensional array is that it stores the values in the form of rows and columns. So the first subscript corresponds to row number, and the second subscript corresponds to column number. So that is there. So if you want a particular row to have a particular number of columns, you can also say assign new integer variable integer array of particular size, for example 3 here, and you can also say new int of 5. So yeah, so here what this does is it assigns or it allocates 3 blocks of memory. So that basically is 3 rows to the first column, and it assigns 5 rows to the second column. So that is also there. You can assign as many number of columns you want to, as many number of rows you want to a particular column, and you can still print or assign values to the positions the same way as you do. So basically we use looping statements to loop through the contents of an array. So we'll be talking about looping statements in the later part of this tutorial. So that's it for today, guys, for this video, and see you again in the next video. Till then, take care, bye. Please don't forget to share and subscribe.